Hello, today I'm in Renault Clio. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with the car via Bluetooth and then simply press this button on the steering wheel. Unfortunately, voice recognition is not supported on the device I've connected, but basically if you connect your smartphone with the car via Bluetooth, press and hold this button to use voice assistant. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.